Are you looking for the best solar panel in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best solar panel that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the GVSHINE 30 Watt Off-Grid Solar Panel Kit. Illuminating your home despite an ongoing power blackout in your area is now attainable with this solar panel kit from GVSHINE, designed for basic solar needs. This kit comes with not just the solar panel system but 4 LED bulbs as well. You can connect these lights to any of the kit's multiple outlets. These bulbs are also ideal for barns, greenhouses, sheds, and even your outdoor office. This power supply is possible thanks to its efficient and foldable solar panel that takes only about 6 to 8 hours of charging time. Just lay this panel under the sun, connect it to the power box, and use it even when it is charging. The power box can also be connected and charged using electricity, so it's a win-win. Up next in the 4th place is the Rockpals upgraded 60W foldable solar panel. Foldable solar panels are indeed a breeze to use, and this one from Rockpals is no exception. Its solar panel is lightweight, foldable into 3 parts, and encased in a carrying case, making it easy to install anywhere. This panel also has conversion energy of up to 23%. Its bag also has a side pocket with a USB port where you can charge lights and mobile phones. Aside from that, there are also kickstands to help you adjust the position or inclination of the solar panel. Take note though that this kit does not come with a power station or a power generator, so you'll need to buy one separately. Of course, you can purchase a Rockpals power station, but you can also get one of the different brands as this panel is compatible with many generators. The 3rd product on our list is the WEIZE 100 Watt 12 Volt Solar Panel Starter Kit. Solar panel kits with about 30 to 60 watts ratings are good, but if you intend to use more home appliances and devices, you should get one with a capacity of at least 100 watts. Consider this example from WEIZE, available with one solar panel and its matching charger controller. This kit can power any decorative lighting in your home as well as other household appliances, such as a fan and a 50 inches LED TV. Such a feature also makes it ideal for charging appliances and batteries for both your home and travel needs. Second on our list is the Topsolar solar panel. If you like the convenience of the WEIZE solar kit, you'll also like this one from Topsolar, also with a 100 watt capacity. This kit can illuminate your home as well as your RV, trailer, cabin, and boats. Moreover, this kit is ideal for charging small appliances and various types of batteries. The solar kit can do all of these without the risk of overcharging and overheating thanks to its charge controller. Plus, the panel is durable and can withstand even high winds and heavy snow. Finally, the top product on our list is the DOKIO 160W18V Portable Solar Panel. The DOKIO Solar Panel Kit has what it takes if you're looking for an efficient and non-depletable power supply. Encased in a carrying bag, its panels are durable, foldable, and easy to set up. It works right out of the box and just needs to be connected to the controller if you want to use it for charging 12-volt battery. If you want to use this kit to directly power your appliances, on the other hand, you'll need to hook the panel to a separate power station using the multiple cables and converters included in the package. Furthermore, this kit has a protection design against overcharging and short-circuiting so you can use it worry-free whenever and wherever you want. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.